Hi boys and girls, this is part 2 of commonly misspelled words. We're going to look at some words that we often spell incorrectly in our writing and learn which words are correct. Okay, so you're going to watch the video on each misspelled words. You'll need the activity page as you'll be asked to pause the video to complete a sentence of your own for each misspelled word. Remember to please use your neatest handwriting and well-written sentences that start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. So let's get started with its and its. Which one is it? So the word its, right here, its, indicates that it's possessive or it owns something. So I see some examples here. Every dog has its day. So its is referring to dog. The jury has reached its decision. Its refers to the jury. Stop its momentum. And we're not sure in this sentence what its is. It could be the car's momentum. And then gets its color. Maybe it's the shoe's color. Okay, so its without an apostrophe is possessive. It owns something. It refers to something. Its with an apostrophe, however, is a contraction word for it is. It is. And we just took the I off in the it is. We took the I off and we made it its. We substituted the I with an apostrophe. So we have it's my bedtime. You can always check if you use the right one by substituting it is. It is my bedtime. Yes, that makes sense, so that is correct. It's time to go. It is time to go. It's only 11 o'clock. It is only 11 o'clock. And it's over there. It is over there. Then we have where and were. You would be surprised to know how many times you guys confuse where and were. So the word where refers to a place. Here's Mrs. Ruddy's trick on remembering this where. Where are you going? Or where are you? Here I am. So where, referring to a place, has the word here in it. So here are some examples. Where is the coffee shop? She lives where it is always sunny. So where refers to a place. Were, however, is a type of verb, action, used to describe something that has happened in the past. What were you doing last night? My parents were out of town last week. Two totally different words, guys. So now you're going to pause the video and you're going to try to write your very own sentence, not copying one of mine, your own sentence using each word with the correct spelling and meaning of that word on your activity page. So pause the video and write a sentence for where, were, its, and its or it is. Okay, now we're ready to move on. Now you're probably thinking, hey, Miss Ruddy, we had these words last week, and you are correct. There, and there are still being misspelled. So we're going to have another week practicing these words. So the first form of there is the possessive form of the pronoun they. They left their, we're talking about a person, their cell phones at home. This there, however, means in or at that place, kind of like where. Where did you leave it? Here it is, so kind of the same trick. There has the word here in it, referring to a place. She is there now. Where is she? Here she is. Then we have the third there, and that is also a contraction, like the word its that we just talked about. And it is the contraction for they are. So instead of writing they are at the zoo, we're going to take the A off and substitute it with an apostrophe, and it's going to be there. They're mastering the differences between there, and there. And yes, you've guessed it. Now it's your time or your turn to try these 3 words. Please write your very own sentence for the word there, the people there, the place there, and there, the contraction there. And now we're moving on, and we have 2 new words this week, our and are. And our sounds different than are. Our signifies belonging to us or we. The car belongs to us, therefore it is our car. We love our new car. All right, so our signifies belonging to us or we. The car belongs to us. We love our new car. It's our car. Then we have the word are. This is not pronounced our, it's pronounced are. And it's a special verb along with the other similar verbs, which are am, is, are, was, and were. They're all verbs. The verb are usually signifies future tense. So we are going to do better in quarter 2. They are going to California for vacation in June. So are is a verb. Our means we or us. Do you know what's coming next? Ding, ding, ding. You guessed it. Pause the video and now try your own sentences for our, meaning we or us, and are, meaning a verb that usually signifies something that's going to happen in the future. Last but not least, we're going to have a little quiz. So I'm going to read each sentence and you write on the line below which correct form of the word it is. I went to their house after the party. Is it there, or there? She wondered where she was going on the field trip. Is it where, or is it were? It's beautiful weather in the spring for a barbecue. Is it its, or is it its? Our house was a beautiful shade of blue. Is it our or our? Its furry coat kept the bear warm in the winter. Is it its or its? Then last but not least, they're going scuba diving this weekend. Is it there, or they are going scuba diving this weekend? All right, guys, now remember the whole point of these videos is for you to practice these skills on your own. So when you're writing your next response, remember, wait a minute, I remember Miss Ruddy talking about where and were, or it's and its, or there and there and there, or our and are. Which one is it? Otherwise, we'll keep having these videos over and over and over. And you know you don't want that, and I don't either. All right, good luck. Good job, guys.